How's it going? It's Khoa here, and in this video I want to share with you a journey of mine that I've been partaking over the past few months actually. The start of last year I set a goal to start something new, something fresh, and the idea that I had was to actually build a particular type of software that can be used by many people around the world. This software is actually a customer relationship management software. So essentially, it's a CRM software, and I call it cashflow CRM. And what it is take for example that if you own a business and you're looking to manage your leads, add leads, edit leads, and also track where they are in the sales process, or you don't have a sales process but you want to start one. Cashflow CRM does this. Basically what it is that you add leads to it, and then you can manage your pipeline. You can find out where the leads is in that particular pipeline status, and then you can obviously increase cash flow and sales for your business. And that's the whole beauty of Cashflow CRM, is that it's so simple to use. It's very easy for you to add leads. It's very easy for you to manage a pipeline, create pipelines, and generate sales from it. There's no bells and whistles. There's no fancy reporting. There's no there's no features that you're just not going to use, or you're going to pay lots of money for, that you're never going to use. All it does is that you store your leads, you manage your pipeline, and you generate sales. That's it. And that's what essentially what Cashflow CRM does, is that it encourages you to focus more on generating the leads, generating the sales, and that's it. You know, I personally, I don't like to use tools that has so many things, that has so much features that I'm never going to use. I'm paying all this money for it, but I'm never going to use it. I want to focus on the activities that matters the most, which is to generate sales. And that's what Cashflow CRM does. It helps you generate sales and ultimately increase cash flow. I actually spent a long time building this, and I spent I think about 6 months actually just coding it, designing it. But then I took a few months off, and then finally in 2019 I started to actually build it and get the functionality up and running, and now it's nearly there. It's nearly finished, so I'm really excited, and I will be launching it very, very soon. So additionally, I remember when I had the idea initially, when I was actually going for lots of different types of meetings, and I needed a way to create these like a centralized place in which you can find out where your meetings is, and how often, like what's my closing ratio, and how can I sell it, and so forth. It was all about sales, and I put it into an Excel spreadsheet. But then, and that was really effective. But then I needed a way to dynamically add stuff to it. So that's when I came up with the idea with Cashflow CRM. Now I know there's lots of different types of CRMs out there, but with my one, it's actually really easy for you to use. It's very simple. It's very easy for you to use, and it works. So that's it. That's the story of building Cashflow CRM. It's a really amazing tool, and I'm really excited to release it out there to the public very soon. So stay tuned, and keep an eye out for Cashflow CRM. If you want to find out more information, go to www.cashflowcrm.com. Thanks.